Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today our topic is related with the previous topic as well, that if there is an error in a file that one or more object in the drawing cannot be saved to the specific format, the operation was not completed and no file was created. I created this video before, but then I got a question that how about the layout sheet if already done in the original file. So in this video I will show you how we can bring the layout sheets with the layers, with labels, with the line types, with the block from one drawing to another drawing if in case there is an error in a previous file. So I'm going to show you today how to solve this issue. So I have a folder here. There is two files. These are the xrefs of this file and these are the attached folders. I have this blank file already open. This one is the blank file and this one is the layout sheets. The layout sheets are there. First of all, I will check the block I insert command. So these are the block which is available in this drawing. And I am going to check this drawing also. I enter. There is no block. I remove all the blocks from here. If we see the layers, there is no layers. And when we check this drawing, there are many layers related with this drawing. So when we go to the xref, these are the xrefs and there is no xref. Now I want to bring this sheet from this drawing to this drawing. First of all, Control 2. This is the design center of the AutoCAD. These two files are open. When you click on the block in the empty file, there is no block and there is a lot of blocks. So we can compare the drawings from here and there. These are the layers. We can bring these layers from here also, but it will take long time. I am giving one example, but I am not going to do this way. For example, from this drawing layers, layer 01, drag and drop in this blank file. When we check the layers, the layer is already here in the new file. The same procedure we can do for the blocks as well. I am going to remove again this layer, purge all. Now there is no layers. Now the dimension here is 2. And this drawing, the dimension is much than the another drawing. So this is the manual way to compare and bring the object from one drawing to another drawing. Now I'm gonna bring this drawing and these sheets from this drawing to this drawing. First copy this block, paste it here. Actually this sheet is xref and the xref is already here now. And it is important to bring it first here. Now checking the units. Here is millimeter, so change it to meters. Keep the same units of the both drawing. UN. The unit is meter. Same. We can check the xref from here also. So the xref is here in the new file. Now the next step is I will load this AP. The case is this one. I will give the link in the description down below. Then give the command stel. Now select that file from which file you want to bring the objects to the new file. So I am gonna select this file because I want all the objects from this drawing and click open. Then this window will be appear. These are the things which we can bring: blocks, dimensions, style, layers, etc. Now click first on the blocks. The blocks is already imported to the new drawing. Dimensions, layers and status. Select all, import. It will take time because it is related with the xrefs. Import the layers as well. Select all, import. I will import the layout sheet in the last. Line type, material, import. Page setups, scales, text styles, import. Now you guys can see here is 2 layout sheets. Import. Now here is 5. I'm gonna delete the 2. Now when you enter in the sheets, you will see all the sheets is imported. Now go to the model, remove this xref because we have already the xref here. Now we have to compare the things from here. So it is almost the same. If you see, the dimensions is same, dimension styles, layers are the same, Okay, now I came to the main drawing. UCS. I have to check first the drawing is on the correct UCS. W, enter. Okay, now Control A, Control C. I came here. Paste as a original coordinate. It will take a little bit time. Now these both drawing are the same. Just cross check it. XR. All the xref files is here. The dimension, everything is here. Now I'm going to check the layout sheet. All the sheet are here. Now save it. So I have no need this drawing. Close this drawing and delete it and rename this drawing. So like this we can bring one drawing to another drawing. So thanks for watching. Bye.